Good morning everybody, thanks for joining me again. As you can see, I'm back in Brixham, down at the beach at Shoalstone. And the plan this morning is a sunrise shot with these rocks in the background. As you can see, there's lots of patterns and interest, foreground interest here. So I've tried to frame a shot up, and as soon as the sun's up and I've got a shot there, I'm going to go back to the pool and see if I can get some colours in the beach huts along the side of the pool. Anyway, that's the plan. So hopefully you can see the shot I'm trying to line up here. I've got a little bit of foreground interest in these two small pools here, down here, and then at the top here I've got the horizon, the rocks, and I've separated the rocks from the actual shoreline here. And at the moment I'm at F11, might change that to F16, see if I can get a sunburst. I'm hoping the sun's going to come up just slightly to the left hand side of the shot. Don't know if you can make out the cruise ship in the background. Here comes the sun now. Time to be quiet and start taking photographs. Check focus. There we go. Let's try and change that to F16. As it will go on this, see what I can get with that. Just check the focus again on these on that in focus, really sharp back there. Okay, time to make it smartly back to the pool and see what I can get without slipping on all of these rocks. Well, the pool's looking nice this morning. Someone was already swimming here when I walked down in the dark. Some crazy people in Brixham. But then it is really nice to come down here when it's quiet, before all the tourists have woken up. Actually, before I take the beach huts, one shot of this, I think. Well, I'm sure you can see what I'm trying to get a photograph of. Let's be quick. As you can see, the light's still really nice. Sun's a little high now, a bit bright to be shooting straight into. So I'll make a move to Berry Head next and see what wildlife we can see. I didn't go there first thing because I thought the sunrise is quite uninteresting just over the sea itself. But here where the rocks are, let me show you. I'll just try and take another couple of images. Not sure if you can see on the GoPro, but you get some lovely reflected light just on the wet rocks. A couple of oyster catchers going by. So let's see if we can frame something just here in these rocks. What a stunning morning. I don't think those are going to be the best shots, but let's move up to Berry Head and see what we can find there. Well, as you can see, I've made it to Berry Head. Still a lovely morning, not many people about. Sorry if the shots are a little bit shaky. I'm using my Sony camera with the Sigma lens on. The Sigma lens has not got any inbuilt stabilisation, but because of the slight wind up here, I wanted to put this mic on so that you could hear me. So it was interesting down at the pool. As always, you tell yourself you're going to frame the shots nicely, look at the composition, take your time. But as you saw, when the sun comes up, there I am running around trying to get lots of different shots. Really must teach myself to take more time. But hopefully I've got some half decent shots. So the plan really is now just to go just to the end of the headland here, see if we can see any wildlife, hang around for a bit. As you can see, the scene behind me is quite a nice seascape. But yeah, let's see what we see. And then when it starts to get a bit too busy, time to go home for breakfast. Well, that was unexpected. That was a pod of about 100 dolphins going past Berry Head. Hopefully I've got some video for you. But as you can see, the light's starting to go a little now, and there's a lot more people around. So I think it's time to call it a day and go home for breakfast. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, join me next week. But for now, cheerio. Well, just when I thought the day was over, just walking back through the nature reserve, and I can see a little tiny wren, but also I've been taking photos of what I think are some whitethroats, so hopefully those shots will come out. I'm going to see if I can get a picture of this wren. He's not too fussed about me. Okay, I think it really is it now. Time for breakfast. Thanks for joining me. And as I said, see you again next week. But for now, cheerio.